We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. This word designates a fixed, regular sum paid as a salary or as expenses to a clergyman, teacher, or public official. How do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, it is usually said as stipend. You do want to stress on the first syllable, the sti syllable, stipend. In American English, it is usually pronounced as stipend, stipend in American English versus stipend in British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.